the most famous and adopted NFTs are on Solana blockchain. So there, not to forget that, yeah, Solana NFTs are growing so fast. Also, so yeah, that's a very good sign for Solana. So yeah, so after Solana, the top 10 coin there is Dogecoin. So for Dogecoin, the right now its price is really bad, to be honest. Like, why I'm saying bad, not because like 0.06 we saw, this coin is also 0.5, this is also 0.4, but that's 0.06. And why I'm saying bad, because for my personal opinion, that's like being degen and gambling, to be honest. Because we saw Dogecoin. So basically, let's talk about how it's going on. The past 1 hour percent is 0.01%, and past 24 hours that's 1% dump. Past 7 8 it is pumped to 1.75%. So if we search Dogecoin here, so yeah, Dogecoin, Dogecoin is, you can see the high side for the Dogecoin was $0.7, like, which is so high comparing to this. Like, it's not even 0.1, it's 0.06. So all these pumps were basically manipulated by, mostly I'll say, Elon Musk, because his tweets pumped this coin so much. Basically it's just meme coin. It was made just for